Hey guys, Decelation, Brian, back on the 35 hot rod truck, and if you can tell, it is downpouring. So we definitely won't be getting a test drive in today, even if we get to that point. Not 100% sure we're gonna get to that point anyways. We're close, but we still got a lot to do. Brian, tell the people what you're gonna be working on. Jeebus!
Not being struck by lightning.
Yeah, that's probably my goal as well. Jesus. So I got some fittings for Brian, so he's gonna finish my trans cooler and we can probably add the rest of a little bit of fluids.
Yeah, we can do that. Where'd that thing come from?
Ah, there's an extra one of those, yeah.
Oh, nice.
There's a second one. I was gonna talk about that, I forgot to tell you. Yeah, we might have a mounting solution for our second fuse block. But yeah, again, this is another wiring video. So this is just gonna be us updating you as we go along because Brian also agrees I look stupid when I'm thinking, and I think Brian also feels he looks stupid when he's thinking. So yeah, we'll catch you guys on the next update. And if there is not another update, one of us got struck by lightning. Boom. Pray for us. Welcome back, guys. We got Brian again. Whew, don't fall now. You want to tell the people what you did?
Oh, so what we did here, I finished plumbing in his transmission. Just ignore the zip ties that aren't clipped yet. So his transmission cooler line is fully run and plumbed in, so it goes all the way from up there, all the way, crosses over and ties into them fancy 90-degree fittings that he ordered.
All right, so you see a lot of wiring. So right there, here and here. So yeah, I've got trans cooler, which means now all the fluid systems are sealed and tightened. I'm gonna steal the battery. It's funny that he says he's stealing the battery because I'm actually working on attaching it to the car right now. But no, you're not stealing my battery. Oh, what I did do, so originally I had the fuel pump trigger wire from the Phytech going under the car separately straight to the Phytech, but I got a little creative and I tied it in with the rear harness. One second, get some light so you can see. All right. So right here, I also put the fire insulation because the exhaust is going to come under the car as well, and I don't know exactly how it's going to go. I've got to find a muffler shop to do it, or exhaust shop, and it's going to do a good job. So, but the fuel pump trigger wire from the Phytech is also attached to the rear body harness. I just slid it into the same bundle, and I fire sheathed it all the way up, so it goes all the way back through here. So a lot cleaner install. And then, bless you, Brian.
Hey.
Then I have it come out of this harness, follows its own harness, zip tie it following the brake line, keep it nice and neat. And then connect it in right here. So yeah. So that's what I was working on, and now I'm working on the battery tie down. So I got the battery, it comes with these J-bolts, and they're much taller than what you need. So what you got to do, kind of figure out your length, cut them at the J end, and then heat them up and bend them over. So yeah, this one just cooled and this one is cooling as we speak. So now I can attach the battery, like strap it down, and then we'll probably start connecting, start putting fluids in the car. Yeah?
Yeah.
All right, so we're gonna put some trans fluid and some engine oil in it. And then we're gonna start running the battery line because we pretty much got what we need to wired up that needed to just try and start the car, right?
I think think so. Yeah, because we don't need all the turn signals and.
Yeah, we don't need like the extra bullshit, like just the main system. So, yeah, we are probably really close to trying to first start this thing. So, yeah, stay tuned for the next update. Welcome back, guys. So, next update, I got my battery terminal. The positive ran. Brian got it connected to the starter. How many connections is that?
6.
6 connections to the starter. Fun times. The negative cable is just gonna sand. There's a hole right here. I'm gonna sand around it so I can get connected, and it has this strap. So easy day. Not doing that yet, per se. That's gonna be the last step once everything is ready to go and connected. But we had to go get, we used the Odyssey PC925. This battery is recommended by the Factory 5 manual. So I got it all mounted nice and tight, and I had to go to AutoZone and pick up this. It's a M6 threaded, so more likely a Power Sports battery. That's kind of, that's the what they called it, because this comes, Factory 5 harness, power cable came with this type of connector. So went and picked those up. That was like $3, not bad. And with the negative one, because it was just a hole, I had this hole, sorry. Since it's just this hole like this, I have M6 bolts here already, so you just know that you're gonna have to get M6 bolts for that. And screwed that in, and it fits. Screwed it in just to test fit it, and yep, works out perfectly. Brian, want to talk about what you got done?
We'll be done. Well, we already talked about the transmission cooler, so that's all done.
Mm-hmm. You've been like sorting through wires up here and stuff.
The other big thing we did here is all his air conditioning system.
Oh yeah, that's right.
Is now cut and trimmed and run, so we passed it around underneath the things. So.
Yeah, let me get. I got it. Cool. So
it's all passed around under there, runs up into the lines there. So now we just have to, at some point, go to a air conditioning shop and have them do all these fancy crimps on the dozen or so places that need it. So that's all tightened up there. Had to move some hoses around, but yeah, we got it all there. And like I said, we got the 6 dozen cables connected to the starter. So
yeah, but yeah, good.
Now I gotta swipe some coil packs so he can't start driving us in the garage.
Hey, I mean we're pretty close. Like you actually might have to steal some coil packs, cause like you said, what, like we're a couple gallons of fluid and a couple wires away.
Yeah, pretty much.
Yeah.
Just gotta find the right wires and wire in the ignition switch and.
Yeah. Which I read the instructions. It's actually really easy. So yeah, that's gonna be fun. And we just have to tap in that one wire from the Phytech into there, and then do the base programming on the Phytech. Woo, loud noises. But yeah, so we're gonna call it a wrap for tonight. We're gonna pick up tomorrow night, and possibly.
Could possibly be a
first try on the start.
Yeah, could possibly be.
All right, stay tuned to tomorrow. Hey guys, so now I need to cut the video. I was going through the editing and it was taking a lot longer than what I expected. So I'm gonna cut it now and split it into 2 parts. I'm probably gonna release this second part of the video very shortly, so won't have that long to wait. But yeah, I'm gonna cut the video off now, and we'll see part 2 of it in a couple of days probably. So if you like the video, hit that like button, hit the comment button, comment down below, hit that subscribe button. Have a good one.